If you're planning to fly into Salt Lake City International Airport and you've never been here before, or you're not used to flying, I hope this video can help you by giving you a visual from your flight straight to the baggage claim. I'll show you here on Travel Tricks. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. If you're flying in Salt Lake City from outside the United States, your arrival will be a little different than what you'll see in this video. Don't be alarmed. If you're an international traveler flying to this airport from another country, once you land, you'll be arriving in an international terminal. Look up at the signs to find where customs are. Follow the directions until you arrive. Once you're in customs, you'll see a customs officer show your passport. Once you're cleared, you'll be sent to the exit, which will bring you into the baggage claim. For everybody else, once you've landed and walk off the plane, welcome to Salt Lake City International Airport. If you need to use a washroom or find a snack or refreshment, there are many options here. To find the baggage claim, the above signs will be your best friend. Another help to speed your time are the moving walkways, also known as travelators, or moving sidewalks, or auto walks. Getting on these while continuing to walk will speed up your time. Getting to the baggage claim here is a long journey. You'll come across many of these, so I'd suggest to use them as soon as one appears. I've been to many airports. I've had to walk for distances like at the Toronto Pearson International Airport or at London Heathrow Airport. There is an airport tram you can take at the Heathrow Airport to cut down time, but depending when you land, the tram can be quite congested. The last time we went, we walked to customs, and wow, I admit this journey at Salt Lake is comparable. As you walk, above there'll be a sign that will show a right arrow to turn to the right. So follow the directions and move right. And you'll see escalators going downstairs. From here, you go down. If you prefer to take the elevator, you can do that instead. Once you've reached the bottom, you have a long journey to continue, but it is pretty visually. You can cut time using the travelators. With all the blue lighting and waves, it kind of has an appearance of water, the ocean, or like a snowy mountain or avalanche. The Salt Lake City International Airport is recognized as one of the best and most modern airports in North America. In fact, it won an award in 2025 for cleanliness and top-ranked passenger-friendly facility with stunning floor-to-ceiling Wasatch Mountain views. My wife and I both thought this airport was the most beautiful we have ever seen. It is a long walk. As you can see, using the travelators really does help get you going much faster. So keep going forward. You can see the end of the journey ahead with that yellow light way in the distance. Once you pass through the doors, you'll see a number of escalators ahead. Choose one and go up. Once you're on the escalator, as you rise up, the sign located close to the ceiling will show an arrow pointing straight ahead, reading exit to baggage claim. You're almost there. At the top, it's quite a visual, with a number of stores to shop and spots to eat, and the art and lighting. This airport is beautiful. Remember, keep going straight ahead. From here, once you go through the glass doors, there's no going back. You walk through, and then you go through a second set of doors. And you've arrived at the baggage claim. There's carousels 1 to 5, that's to the left, and carousels 6 to 11, those are to the right. You find your carousel, and you wait for your luggage. If you're looking for things to do in Salt Lake City or in Utah, or how to get to your rental car at the Salt Lake City International Airport, check out these videos. And please check out all of my videos. And please subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.